welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a science experiment for you all. Let's get started. For this we need vinegar, any food coloring of your choice, washing up liquid, sparkly confetti, baking soda, a jar and a spoon. We will also need a tray which can contain the overflow. First, add vinegar so that it fills half the jar. Next, add a spoonful of your desired food coloring. Now, add washing up liquid the same amount as vinegar. Let's add a liberal helping of sparkly confetti. Remember that food coloring and sparkly confetti are completely optional. Last but not the least, let's add 1 spoon of baking soda. Now let's start stirring. The solution has started bubbling and frothing over the jar. It has also made a gorgeous and sparkly mixture. Now let's understand why this happened. Baking soda and vinegar react to neutralize each other, releasing carbon dioxide bubbles as you can see here. If you add a little washing up liquid, the foam becomes even thick, a little like lava. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.